So what are you doing, Keith?
I'm just printing off the photographs to send to the DVLA of the conversion so we can get it classified. Not printed any photographs on this printer from this computer, so I'm just printing off a few just to check that they are working. Hopefully upstairs the magic is working, but we'll have to see. We've just got to take a few more photographs of the van for the DVLA so we get it changed. We haven't got still photographs of the water system or the back doors open, so we've had a bit of a tidy up as you have to, and I'm just going to finish off taking those photographs.
David Bailey, eat your heart out.
Well, that should do us. Got all the videos, I've got all the pictures. Now you have to write on the back of them all, so explaining what that picture is. So, rear view of the van, that's what's going on it.
I would put showing registration. It seems like the DVLA, from things we've read, can be a bit pedantic, and sometimes these things go through really easily. Other times things can be returned and the people will be refused and have to do a little bit more, having sent the same things in as anyone else. So it is quite a hit and miss system from what we've read and heard.
Well, there's the photographs we're sending into the DVLA. One stipulation is that it has to be on photo paper. It just can't be on A4, which is a bit of a pain. So each individual one, we've got some writing on the back explaining what they are, what view they're trying to show. So we're all ready. It's all set to send that. Put those in an envelope and send them off.
Be interesting to see how long it takes. Some people have said it's taken a week. Some people have said it's taken 3 weeks, and as I said previously, some have been refused and had to redo things. So fingers crossed, we'll be okay.
And we're going to be asking them to reclassify the van as well. At the moment, it's the class that is speed restricted on dual carriageways and motorways. Not on motorways, but on dual carriageways. So we're going to ask them to reclassify that as well. That is a bit more difficult apparently, because they just pass you on from one department to the next. So we'll see where we get with that. We've got the table fixed there. It's not in a video simply because it's got to have to come out when we put the flooring in. So it's there at the moment, but that's where it's going to be. But we will be taking the base up so we can put the carpet down, or the carpet tiles down, and that'll be in another video when we've really put it in finally.
Reasons for classification, apart from speed limits. Class 7 is a bit more of a difficult MOT, a bit more expensive MOT as well. It takes it down to a Class 4, which is a motorhome. Also reclassified, you get
an N. The classification for speed is an N, isn't it?
Something like that. But you also get cheaper insurance if you class as a motorhome rather than a van. Cheaper ferries, quite a bit difference from what somebody told us the other day, isn't there?
Yes.
From £200 down to £40 on a ferry for a trip they were planning on doing. So yeah, fingers, I can't do the lottery cross. Fingers crossed, we'll be okay.
So I've got all my photos done, written on the back. Started to pack it all up to send away, and then I read somewhere that you've got to have the registration on all the photographs as well. So back to it, back to drawing, back to writing, and I'll see you in a minute.
You got your glasses on? You usually whip them off?
Well, I've got my glasses on, yes.
By the end of this, Keith will know the registration off by heart.
That's as I'm doing it right in the first place. While I'm doing this, another helpful thing was the DVLA on their website has a pro forma letter to send to them explaining what you've done and how you've converted it. It's dead easy. You just fill in little blank spaces with the registration, the dates, and things like that. There's a list of I think they've got 6 photographs that you need to show. We've done more. We've got 15. But if you just actually go onto the line and then just press enter, it actually, like normal bullet points, it just gives you the next number, and if you want to put them in different order, it shuffles all the numbers. So it's dead easy to fill in and to extend to customise to yourself. So it's on there, converting. If you go look at their DVLA site and converting a motorhome page, we'll put it up on the URL at the end of this video.
It's dvla.gov.uk, isn't it?
Yeah, and then /
whatever.
And there's a link. If you go right down that page, it's all about the description of what you have to do and how to convert it, and what the stipulations are for the bed and the water and things like that. Right there, down there, towards the bottom, it says there's a pro forma letter here. Click on this link and it takes you, and it brings up this on your computer. So that's a really useful cover letter, really. Although, being a teacher, I don't agree with how they've laid it out, but it's theirs.
While we're on with the bed, that is one thing that they are pretty hot on. The length of the bed, isn't it?
Yeah, I think it's got to be over 6 foot or around 6 foot. So we've measured ours and it comes out about 6'2" if you go into the window space a little bit. But so that's what we've done. The pillows will go into the window space anyway, so that's the start of the bed as far as I'm concerned.
So it's something to be aware of if you've got this far into our videos but haven't actually started converting yet. Just be aware that when you put in your application, they do like to know what the bed measures. So don't have a very short bed.
See you later.
That's photographs all done.
Yeah, just checking. They're all in order. You've seen them on the floor. They probably write back say they're in the wrong size, but hey, this is a photo paper we got cheap at the pound shop. That's all done. I've also asked for them to change the vehicle category from ours on the log sheet is N1, which restricts us speed-wise to 50 mile an hour on dual carriageways rather than the national speed limit of 60. It doesn't mean an awful lot really, speed, that 10 mile an hour difference there, but it's just something that when you jump into the campervan, having been in a car, you might not think about, and you just might pick up a few fines for speeding and a few points. So if they will change it, I'm asking them to change it to M2, which is a vehicle less than 5 tonnes with no more than 8 seats in it. It's either M1 or M2 that hopefully they'll change it to. I think M1's a proper car, M2 is the bigger vehicles, but it allows you to do to do a bit more speed.
So photographs are done, letters done. Next bit is filling in the V5.
Which is not that easy.
So which section is that, Keith, you filling in?
I'm filling in the changes to the current vehicle, section 7, and the only appropriate area I can write in is the tax class, motor caravan, which is what I'm asking in the letter for it to be changed to. So I'm hoping that's the right place to write it, because there's nowhere else to do it. We'll see.
Envelope time. Green envelope, but St Patrick's Day's just gone.
It's the only one we have the right size.
Is it envelope or envelope?
Alright, that's all signed, all sorted, hopefully, in the envelope. Yeah.
Got the dogs for that.
I think I might need a bit of sellotape as well.
Next question. Record the delivery or not? Again, varying reports when you read Facebook. People have sent it off without being recorded and they've got lost. People have sent them off recorded and they've got lost. So, don't know. We'll see.